Welcome back to another week of online learning. So I'm here today with our new theme, which is Australia for this week. So firstly, we're going to do some art, something to do with the Sydney Opera House, and then we're going to look at our messy play. So to do our art, you need some paper plates, some dark paper, some stickers of stars if you have any, and then some glitter glue or glues and glitter, some chalk, some tissue paper, anything like that really, and bright colourful pens, pencils, etc. So we're going to start off by cutting out our Sydney Opera House. Now, I don't know if anybody has been there or if you've seen it, it's got some very distinctive shapes, which hopefully I will be able to recreate with my plates, and you will at home too. So let's put that one there. So they've got a really funny, big, white, curved roof, which is quite spectacular. Whether the paper plate version will be is anyone's guess. So let's cut our paper plates out like that. There we go, they're going to be our opera house. Now, hopefully I wrote on the back of them which parts are going to be. So the aim of the game is to get them. Okay, that one under there, that one there. So this is going to be our opera house that we're going to stick in the middle of our paper. So if I turn my paper round, you can see a bit better. So I'm just going to glue my opera house in place first. Okay. And then this one. And this one last. Okay. Now our opera house is going to be a picture of the opera house at night. So the next bits that we're going to do, some sea and then the sky. We thought we'd have a celebration sky. Okay. So there's our opera house. Beautiful. Now for my sea, I've got some chalks here. Sydney Opera House obviously is in the harbour. So on a little peninsula, surrounded by some water. You can stick in some tissue paper, if you like, or your pens and pencils. I have an abundance of glitter glue, so let's see if any of these. There we go, just to give some different waves, different shades. Okay, right then, so that's our sea. And then, as I said, it's going to be a celebration by the Opera House, so we're going to have some fireworks. So here, yep, you can again use pens, pencils, colours, anything bright and fireworky that you think will go off in the sky. So I'm going to have some orange, of course. And some big bursts in the sky. Oh, these are hard to squeeze. These will be good for your fine motor skills, that's for sure. So there we go. We have a blobby orange firework in the sky. What else can we have? Let's have a big spray of gold. Oh, that's a lot easier. There we go. And we'll have, let's see, some red firework over here. There we go. Oh, yes. Beautiful fireworks. And let's see, the purple. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. Some wiggly lines. Right, and then of course let's complete our Sydney night sky. Now, you may hear some noise in the background. I'm in one of our classrooms at school today, And we have welcomed back a couple more students today, so it's lovely to see them. And they're currently in the outdoor area just by this classroom having a lot of fun by the sounds of it. Running around, so that's what that noise is. There we go. Let's stick a couple of these stars on. Okay. Pink. And I'll go one more. What should we go for? Go for purple. There we go. So there we have beautiful fireworks sky above the paper plate. Sydney Opera House. Oh, get it on some monkey. There we go. So that was our first thing, our first task, and now the messy bit. So if you've managed to dye your rice some green and some yellow, my bags, my beautiful green bag, yellow bag. I've also added some glitter to the bags for a bit of extra interest, so we can put our rice and glitter in. Obviously green and yellow, the national colours of Australia, that's for their sporting teams. Another thing you can do to add to the sensory experience, if you can get some, I didn't have any hanging around at home, is when you add your food colouring to it, you can add some eucalyptus oil, so just to give it a scent and a smell as well. And then, as we've done in the past, you can mix all your colours together to create beautiful Australian, and then add, if you've got any, Australian creatures. I appear to have just koalas and a little Australian flag. And again, you can use scoops and spoons and cups and any other thing that you'd like to play with this. Obviously, again, it is edible, taste sensitive, taste safe, except if you've added the glitter. So obviously, if you're thinking your young person may put them in his mouth, put them in their mouth, don't add the glitter unless you have edible glitter. Otherwise, just have some fun and play with your rice and your Australian animals. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll see you again next week.